Okay.
Message said, we own all of epoxy, family refinishes LLC.
Oh.
Who is this?
One of our installers, yeah.
Oh, no.
No, maybe not very. Sorry.
You little badasses. Thank you for being here today.
Creative Epoxy Design says the creative you have found is not much around.
The what's that?
The creativity you found
Is what?
not much around.
Not much around? Does that mean I'm not creative? I'm not creative. Oh, man.
Maybe you are creative.
I think I am creative. I think I'm just a little slow in the head, and I have access to epoxy, so it's just kind of, I just do stuff.
He says, I love Jesus.
Peggy, I love Jesus too, and God bless you. I'm so happy when I see anybody proclaim that, Peggy. You are a hero to me, because I am sick and tired of living in a world where Jesus is real and everybody is too pansy to admit it. So you can talk about Allah, and I'll respect you. I'll respect every single person. I love everybody from everything, but if you can't proclaim Jesus, I feel sorry for you. So I personally don't care if that offends people. So I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ. Come over here, Mia. Come over here, Anna. Look at this. Check this out. Okay, just because I got to do this quick, because it's getting hot as schnizzle.
Sorry, no. I was reading comments, sorry.
This is very clear and
That
color.
looks like,
A lot of clear in here.
camo.
It kind of does, actually, like a copper camo almost.
Phyllis said, may God bless you.
Phyllis,
And then
we love you, Phyllis.
Creative Epoxy Designs said, anyone can install epoxy, but it takes creativity to stand out. And he says,
Dude.
he knows who I am.
Thank you, brother. Who is that? Tell me the name.
Creative Epoxy Designs.
Oh, Creative Epoxy. Dude, I think we just friended each other. He's an amazing person. You were just in class a little while, I believe. He's
Michael asked, is this a giveaway?
This is a giveaway, so I'm slow in the head, so of course, I'm not saying that this is a giveaway, but yes, this here, somebody that comments, follows on YouTube or TikTok, one of our commenters or new followers is actually going to have this as a piece, and all you have to do, if you like it, just comment, follow, share our live. You don't have to do just any of the above. And this will be yours, and we'll ship it to you. I'm doing one of these every single day. I just bought a bunch of these with my little girl, and I decided if I'm pouring samples for customers, then I'm gonna pour samples for the people watching. If you guys are that involved, then I'm gonna try to be giving something away every single day like this. And if you say, hey, I'd rather a little kit of epoxy to pour my own, because the stuff you poured looks like crap, Levi, I'll be like, yes, sir. And I will make sure to ship you out a thing of epoxy instead of sending you the crap I did. Dude, this is Levi pouring this is about 180 degree product right here. No joke at all. Yeah, I actually feel the heat coming off of this. Yeah. Our first live in the new studio, I was working so hard that I probably just bedoinked us here on this pour. I probably did, actually. I can see it setting up.
And they said, amazing stuff,
Brother. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, brother.
Looks like granite. Piece of art. Dang, so many people are all loving it.
Dude, you guys are such a lovely group to be around today. Even though I burned the shizzle out of this. Dude, this is like disaster 101 right here. This is like, you want to mess something up? Be a Levy today. Go to Levi's shop today. See what he did.
Well, they're all being so nice now.
Y'all just got to see probably one of my worst epoxy mistakes of hot epoxy that I've done in a while, dude. Me sitting around here with the tape, pretending that was important for an extra hour. Abby, please just make it look pretty on camera.
Is that a tabletop you're making?
This is just an actual form we're pouring into for fun, just for samples, y'all. Oh, it is actually laying down slick and nice. I'm not sad.
Will it mess up doing cold seams as you pour layers?
Is it? No, it'll actually work very well and it'll bond very well, but that's a good question.
And JoJo said, I bet that will still look amazing.
You know, we'll pour it till it does, JoJo, and we love you. Thank you so much. You're amazing.
You're so supportive.
Dude, you guys are like nicer than my grandma. My grandma passed away a long time ago, and even she thought my stuff looked like crap, but you guys are so sweet.
YouTube popping off right here.
YouTube's popping? Go, please, if you're on TikTok, follow us on YouTube. We are going live on YouTube at the same time as TikTok now. And our YouTube, we have extra cameras. So if you'd rather see this from all these angles and not just the boring TikTok angle, you gotta bounce over to YouTube, and we have a lot more content there. We have over 1,200 videos uploaded, and for a tiny company, I think we're killing it on there. And it's really you guys. You guys are the only reason, I guarantee, that we have been as successful as we have been. So, Brad, thank you for being here, Brad. Look at the brains on Brad. Okay, let's see what kind of fires we can start in here. So I told you I wasn't stuttering when I said fire. My dance? No, I'm supposed to. My little girl wants me to learn a dance, and I'm not a dancer, but I might dance. I'll dance. If my little girl asks me to dance, she's my little ride or die. I'll do whatever.
Sophie Mama said, reminds me of Chattahoochee River.
It's the Chattahoochee. It gets hotter than a hoochie coochie. This is hotter than a hoochie coochie. Way down yonder on the Chattahoochee, never knew how much that mud epoxy meant to me. So I learned how to do epoxy, and I learned how to love. Sorry, I don't know. Popping air bubbles and leveling this out. Oh, look at that. See, it is getting level from that heat. As nasty as that was, it is coming together, y'all. Now, let's see if I can kind of salvage. Sheila, if you are dancing, that makes me happy. Okay, here we are. There's no way we are not going to have a little boober here, but we'll see. I don't really care. A day without mistakes is like a day not working. Don't.
Would you do that same thing to the floors when you put on there?
Oh, never the fire on the floor. No, because I have a lot of alcohol down on floors, guys. But thanks for the amazing question. I hope nobody ever lights me on fire on the floor. It'd be probably funny to watch, just not for me. Okay, we're done. Drive-through diamond coat, they said? Oh, yes.
Installing a great product from our stage.
Oh, money. This isn't the worst, guys. That's not the worst, y'all. Huh? Right towards the end. Do y'all know who's winning this? Who's winning the giveaway right here? This is somebody's giveaway right now. Somebody that comments, shares, or goes and follows us on YouTube is going to win this little food serving tray that matches. It's like crazy thick epoxy there too. That's so pretty. Okay, I hope they can see this little food tray on YouTube too, because it is turning out.
I can turn the camera for that. Whoa.
Sometimes you gotta let it burn off a little bit. There we go. Now we're done with that. We're done with that life. Ooh, just look at it laid down really nice, y'all. Don't ever light fires in your mom's basement, kids. Huh? A floor? We are doing a huge floor coming up next week, and we're doing it in class, so there'll be a lot of live video going on. And we have a ton of tutorials, so go catch us the same YouTube that we're going live there, that right now in this room. So if you go catch us on YouTube, that channel, we have 1,200 different tutorials on that page. So tiny company, people working by God's grace every day.
Mistakes often turn out as some of God's greatest blessings.
You're right. I say I'm a mistake. I have always been a mistake, but I've been a happy mistake. Happy accident. Okay, trying to break that gold and silver on here with a little bit of clear alcohol. Guys, thanks for being here on the live today. Thanks for being such a lovely group to be here. All right.
Creative epoxy design said your beard is making me nervous with the fire.
My beard makes me nervous with fires. Creative epoxy design. Dude, you are so right. That's a man that's seen me work, and it's making him nervous because he knows my abilities to just be an idiot and make a mistake, probably. And it's probably pretty smart to be worried about such things.
DJ said, I'm following on TikTok and now YouTube.
Thank you, DJ.
Now he said fire.
Fire. That's it.
Beavis.
A little bit. Yeah, Beavis was the little pyro, right? All the people in class watching, they're like, Levi always says no fires, and then he lights fires on all his lives. Okay, but look at the pattern we're getting out of this. Look at even this is laying down. This was like almost 200 degrees when I poured it. It was so hot. It was actually, I tried to pretend I was being cool, but I was having a hard time holding the bucket. And look, it actually cured out freaking beautiful. It's like almost touchable right now. Look at that. So hot. So hot right now. The gospel, the gospel, Jesus Christ. Look at this spider webbing and modeling down in here. That is so clean down here. And just level it out with a little bit of fire. Can you see that down here? The modeling in this? Oh, I'm loving that. Take your time torching. If you notice, this is very temperature resistant, so you can get right on that surface. Remember, hit that love button or like button, go follow us, and you guys are going to win the giveaway. Somebody out there is going to, and it's right here. So don't be afraid to hit the like, the follow, or something. And if we say your name, then call our office and tell us where you want this shipped to.
Brad said, first time watcher, I'm hooked. Great work.
Brad, dude, thank you, Brad. Follow us on here, Brad, and then go over to YouTube. Like I say, if you guys want some multiple camera angles over on YouTube, follow us over there. We have 3 cameras in here in the same setup with really close up, far back, different angles. It's more like a low quality. I was gonna make a terrible joke. Never mind. It's like a high quality porn.
Okay, Ron said, howdy, young man. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for being here, Ron. Please check out our YouTube too, but thank you for being here. I'm gonna pick a winner right now. And man, this actually did, so as hot as it was, guys, don't give up. If you pour super hot product and you're worried, look at this, that crazy spider webbing of the gold through here. It's just money. So thank you guys so much for being here. And who's our winner of this beautiful piece?
I'm gonna go with, just Michael.
Michael, you got a winner over here for the giveaway? I think Michael is picking a winner right now. I hope you guys have not disappointed Michael, or he might disappoint you with the name he calls. Oh, my brand new pants. I hope that's just wet and not dirty. Are Hey Dudes old man shoes? Question to my followers.
Oh my God, I love you.
Okay.
Sticker.
I love you too. I don't even know who that is, but I guarantee I love you, and Jesus loves you. And I can't wait to see one of y'all in here. Oh my gosh. I'm touching things.
You're not old, man.
Thank you, Michael. Michael, I sincerely love you too. Thank you for saying my shoes are okay. I'm going home and I'm telling my kids that Hey Dudes are not old man shoes.
Gail MG?
Gail MG?
I think so.
Gail MG? You're our winner, Gail MG. Please call our office. I know we're kind of getting to the end of the day here. Please call us. The link's in the bio. I want you guys to call in and we will send you the cutting board I just did. And if you want something else, Gail MG, I would do anything else for you too. Oh, what? Scotland? Is Gail MG's from Scotland? What in the hell? Gail MG, I for sure am going to be in Scotland this summer. So let me know. I almost made it last summer, but I went from London to Italy and Switzerland instead. So those damn places caught me. But you guys will get me in Scotland next. And we are doing some classes, Gail MG, up just north of, what's the town we're looking at going to north of London? Luton. I think we're going to be in Luton sometime early next year or later somewhat later this year. So let us know if that's something you'd want to meet us at. And Gail MG, I can't wait to send this to you. We usually only do continental US, but for Gail MG, I don't really care. I'm going to ship this to her. So what an amazing lady. And we're going to send you some extra stuff too. What's that?
They all said their Hey Dudes are so cool.
My paintings?
Hey Dudes.
Oh, my Hey Dudes. I love Hey Dudes. Dude, they're so light. I feel like I can fly. Okay, I'm going to shut this down before I offend somebody or get us counseled, because if this little thing goes too long, somebody in China gets mad and they're like, pull that lever, and my TikTok goes dead, and then it takes me forever to spend time with the people I want to be around and love you guys. So please, if you're on YouTube, if you're on TikTok or anywhere else, come and follow us on our YouTube channel. And we're going to be going live every single day of the week, Monday through Friday. And a lot of times we'll be doing 2 lives, and we'll be doing giveaways every single time so that you guys can have your hands on either our products if you'd want, or finished products. If you'd rather pour the epoxy, we can ship you all some of that. Or if you'd rather the finished product like this, we'll do that as well. So God bless you guys, and go be a blessing. Bye. This turned out sick.